Hi everyone, this is Maddie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be starting with Java basics. The first topic is IO operations. On a high level, let us see what are IO operations. For an instance, let's take you go to a retailer shop with money and the list of products you want to buy, and the retailer would hand over the product to you. Here, what you give is the input and what you get is the output. It goes the same way in programming. Let's talk more about input. As I have mentioned, input is nothing but what you give it to the program. To give input to the program, you need to follow few things. In Java, we use scanner class to take input from the keyboard. To initiate a scanner, you need to import it from the Java util package. Import and the scanner class. And after importing a scanner class from the Java util package, you need to instantiate it. In other words, you need to create an object of scanner. And for a scanner constructor, you need to pass system.in value. You're all set. Now your program is ready to take input from the user. Now what is the output? As we have seen, output is nothing but what you get from the program. After processing the data, the program should output, right? To output that data, Java uses System.out.println, and this method takes in some parameter or the values that will be displayed on the screen. Let's take you want to print your name. So I'll just print mine, Maddie, and in the screen you will be seeing a Maddie without double quotes. Since it is a string, we are just writing it with it double quotes. But in the console, you'll just be seeing a word without double quotes. That's about output. Now we have few things in the input. Let us see them. After instantiating a scanner class, you need to use data type specific methods to enable Java to read those data. Let us see what are those methods. We have next line, which reads the whole sentence until the new line character is encountered. Next we have next int, which is capable of reading integer data. We have next double, which reads decimal data. We have next float, which reads float values. Like GST. We have next long, which is capable of reading long values like your phone number. Now let us see input and output in a program. Before instantiating a scanner class, we need to import it. Once we import, we'll just go ahead with creating an object. Now we'll just prompt user to enter their name. Using a scanner object, we'll just read it. And store it in a variable name called name. Once we take the user input, we'll just try to print it on the screen with the name. Let us try to run this program now. Yes, it's asking us to enter the name. We'll just enter Maddie. See, it has taken the input, it has stored into the variable name called name, and then in the last line, it is just throwing the output on the screen, which is nothing but entered name is Maddie. Yes, this is all about input and output. Next, we will be covering data types in Java. See you in the next video.